Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy and excited you're here because I am going to be sharing my wonderful favorite pumpkin snickerdoodle cookie recipe. It's super easy to put together. It only takes minutes, and these cookies are soft and chewy, and they're just absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to share the recipe because I know you're going to love these cookies as much as I do and as much as my family and friends do. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to get busy putting together my ingredients for my wonderful pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. In this bowl, I have a half a cup of pumpkin puree. I have 1 regular egg, and I also have a half a cup of softened butter. I'm going to put in 1.5 cups of sugar. I'll mix these first 4 ingredients together. We don't want to overmix our cookies, just mix it until combined. Now we'll start adding in the dry ingredients. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add the flour gradually. I'll put in a little bit and mix it up, and then I'll add some more. At this time, I'll add in our pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, I'll have the recipe listed below so that you can make your own. Now that I have all the cookies mixed up, I'm just going to take this scoop and I'm just going to start scooping the cookies. I have a nice big bowl here, and I also have a cinnamon sugar mixture that I keep on hand, but I'll also have the one that goes with this recipe listed below. I'm going to pour the cinnamon sugar in, and then I'm going to take my scoop and I'm just going to start scooping the dough, and then I'll drop it right into the cinnamon sugar mixture. I find the best thing to do with this is just take a fork and roll it right around in the cinnamon and sugar. Now we'll get our cookies to the preheated 350-degree oven. We'll bake our cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies are all done, and now it's time for me to get them all packaged up for gift giving. I had so much fun putting these cookies together, and my house smells absolutely amazing. That cinnamon smell is just so wonderful, and my whole house smells like a fall bakery. I would be so happy if you give this recipe a try because I know you're really going to love it. The recipe will be listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.